Well, big box stores like Target and Walmart recently announced an inventory problem. They simply have too much stuff.
Consumer reporter John Matteries explains why their pain could be your gain so you don't waste your money.
Remember the trendy items we bought early on in the pandemic? Athleisure wear, furniture, and exercise equipment? We're not buying as much anymore, so stores are slashing prices by 40%, even 70% in some cases. Mom Carmen Deloche is taking advantage of it.
Some really nice toys. I got a couple items for the summertime. Just play clothes outside. They're 90% off right now. So that is awesome.
For some retailers who ordered too much during the pandemic, their inventory is starting to build up. And that can mean big discounts coming your way.
Now, the caveat here is it's only a good deal if you need it.
Kelly Goldsmith of Vanderbilt University says it's easy for shoppers to get excited about deals, but make sure you're not buying things you already have.
So the reason these things are on sale is often because so many people don't need them. And if you're one of those people that doesn't need them, don't buy it.
Smart shopping expert Trey Bodge says it's not just clothing on sale. You'll find more summer deals than usual
in furniture as well as TVs.
She says when rummaging clearance racks for your kids, think bigger.
Buy something for them that's a size up because they're going to be bigger come fall. That might be a good way to save and stockpile a little bit right now.
Which is great advice for Carmen.
My kids are growing like weeds.
Oh, yeah.
So
one last tip, check the store's website too. Some retailers put their biggest markdowns online so they don't take up space inside the store. And that way you don't waste your money. I'm John Matteries.